Hello and welcome to the latest edition of Let's Talk Technique from the VirtuAlive Surgical Academy. Today we'll be talking about economy of movement.
Economy of movement relates to the elimination of purposeless movement rather than the speed of the surgeon. Motion analysis effectively assesses the economy of the movement of surgeons' hands and has established that experienced surgeons have a greater economy of movement.
Reducing the number of hand movements and distance travelled by such movements improves their economy and in turn makes your manoeuvres more efficient and reduces the duration of your operations. It can reduce your learning curve for new procedures, increase your productivity, and contribute to your longevity as a surgeon. For many surgical training programs, economy of movement forms a key component of training assessment tools.
The importance of economy of movement should not be underestimated and should be a constant consideration when learning and undertaking procedures.
Our top tip for improving economy of movement is to record your procedures where it is possible, assess them, reflect on them, and eliminate unnecessary movements.
Check out our reel highlighting the potential for purposeless movement in even the simplest of tasks, inserting an interrupted suture.
We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences with this technique. Please drop a comment in the comment section and we look forward to hearing from you in due course.